Guess what? I am sitting in my new sofa, and guess where I got it from? Amazon. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy. If it's your first time here, welcome. To my returning subscribers and viewers, welcome back. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I unbox my sofa from Amazon, and also you will be seeing my hubby in this video as well because he's in town. He installed my TV on the wall and I'm so excited. My living room is coming together. And I also purchased some stuff from Temu that I'm gonna show you in the video as well. So let's get into the video, guys. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say you're looking like a gift. So I was looking for a low profile sofa that would be able to fit my space. I went into Ashley's. I saw some, but they were too big for my space. I also went on to Wayfair, saw some, didn't like the price. So during the Cyber Monday week sale on Amazon, I purchased this sofa. It came in within a week and a half. Love this sofa, guys. The original price was $1,299, but after the sale price, I got it for $1,099. Guys, this worth every penny that I spent on it. The only difficult part putting this sofa together is taking it outside, taking it out the box. But everything else was easy. It came in two boxes. All I did was take them out the box, put them together, and that was it. It was so easy. I was about to pick up my husband at the airport, but I wanted it to show him before. I wanted him to see it when he gets in. So I didn't wait for him to come to put it together. I just put it together myself because it was that easy. So yeah, guys, it is so nice. It is so comfy. It is not super soft, but I love the firmness of it, but it's not hard. You know, it has this soft feel to it. So if you're looking for something like a low profile sofa, guys, this is a perfect sofa for you. Love it if you don't want nothing too big in your space. This is the perfect size. I think this is 100 inches modular sectional sofa. That's how it is listed on Amazon as. But I'll definitely leave the link in my description box for you guys. But you guys, it's beautiful. So after I picked up my hubby at the airport, we went straight to Walmart and we purchased this TV mount. It's called the No Drill, No Studs Drywall TV mount. So it was an easy install, guys. All you need is actually a hammer. Or even if you don't have a hammer, you could definitely use something sturdy that could put the nails into the drywall. It was an easy install. I just left it. My husband just did his thing. The only thing I did was help him to hand him the nails because you had to put like 13 small nails. I think it was about 13 small nails, and that was it. And then we hang the TV up. It holds up to 200 pounds, but I was a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie, guys, because I was like, oh, it's not gonna be in any studs. So I'm kind of scared. So I didn't let go of the TV for a little while. You will see that in the video, but it was easy to install. So if you are renting and you don't have a drill and you're not sure where your studs are in the drywall, you could definitely use this Walmart TV mount. It was like $35. It was not that expensive, but yeah, it's good. It's a good renter friendly TV mount, guys, if you're living alone. I want to give you a side view of the TV, guys. Look how flush this TV mount have my TV to the wall. This TV mount is the best, guys. I'm not gonna lie. And it is so sturdy. It doesn't shake or anything. If you're looking for something like this, guys, you could go on walmart.com or in stores. I'll definitely leave the link in my description box below for you. So I ordered some stuff from Temu a couple weeks ago, but I haven't unboxed them yet because I wanted to share them with you guys. So let's open some Temu items. This is the first time I've ordered stuff from Temu, so let's see if what I ordered is what I really got. So let's open these packages. So this is a steamer that I purchased. Comes with stuff. I was about to buy this one on Amazon, but I was like, let me try the Temu one first. And I don't remember the price. I'll put it up on the screen once I remember the price that I pay for it. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's cute. I like the color. So, it comes with all these compartments. So I'm definitely going to try this out and I'll share it with you guys once I start using it. So I think I bought this to go under the sink. Cute little shelf. These are some shoe container that I bought for my shoes. Figured it out later. But yeah, these are just some shoe stands. Last but not least, I have this. This is a spin brush. I picked up the viral spin brush. I have the one that is 9-in-1. I bought this one as well. I put all the prices in the, I'm doing my editing, I put all the prices that I purchased for these, but they weren't a lot. So I'm happy because I wanted this one. I wanted to try this one for so long, but I just didn't spend it because I saw it on TikTok and I was like, I'm gonna buy it. So I'm happy I could able to find it on Temu. So yeah, so those are all the stuff that I got from Temu, guys. If I try them and they work, I'll be definitely buying more stuff on Temu. But for right now, these are the only stuff that I picked up. I wanted to try them to make sure that these are legit, and then I'll start buying some more expensive stuff there on Temu. But yeah, guys, that is it for my Temu haul.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time stuck in a spot. Telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot. Cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have yourself a great day, guys. Bye.